What's up? So today I'm going to show you how to code in Python, like just a quick tutorial on how to do all the stuff I know. So you're going to need an app. Right now I'm coding on mobile, but I normally code on PC, but I can't like do my normal thing on the PC. So what I'm gonna do is you're gonna download if you're on mobile, download the app called Python Coding. And if you're on a PC or anything else, go to python.org and download it from there. Alright, so we're gonna open this, a new Python script. So now what you're gonna do, first we need to teach the basics of printing. So this is what you're gonna type in. Print this. Now you're gonna type in what you wanna say. For me, I'm just gonna do hello world. Now if you click on run, see, output it says hello world. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The next thing we're gonna learn is how to make a dice. So you have to type in import random this, and then print. Oh my god, how do I spell it? Print random dot random, or what I like to call it, radiant 1 to 6. So this should work. See, and when we click run, it randomizes something from 1 to 6. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so make sure to do that. So the next thing we're gonna do is let me so now we're gonna learn how to make a simple like poll. So you're gonna do choice equal input, do these, and then the good thing about Python coding the app, it like automatically does 2 of them on each side. So we're gonna do cat or dog for this one, and then it's very easy to adjust. Now you go into if choice equal this. So we're gonna do cat for this, and then this is very important. You have to do that because it tells Python to stop. So then we're gonna do print meow for this example. And now we can do if choice equal dog print wolf. Now other tip, if you wanted to, so normally if you do let me go back real quick. So there are some ads in this app, so that's why I recommend if you have a PC to use it, but what was he using? A real tip if you want it, so normally it just displays this crazy error code that has a lot of text if you don't do this, but now if you say, let's just say if else, oh god, maybe let's just not use if else, we're just going to do else, which is very easy to do. You literally just type in the word else, print invalid option. So So now if I use this cat or dog, we're going to type in something random. Invalid option. Now if we type in dog, see it prints wolf. Actually, I have a little tip to separate. We're going to do a little space there. So now, let me say cat, it, see, and I'm just gonna make this a bit cooler. Wait, so where's the question? So now this should work. See. Oh, wait, if else? Oh, that's weird because it prints invalid option anyways. I really don't know how to use else. Yeah, so, sorry for making that, yeah, so that's, and then the next thing is we're gonna learn how to do variables, which is very easy. I need a clear button. They need to add, oh, or you can just do that. If you're in the Python coding app, then click select all. Anyways, the next thing is, variables. Do A equals, I think that's how you do it. And now you do print A. You don't need the that for there. You don't need, if you're trying to print a variable, do not put like the air quotation mark. You have to just do the parentheses. So you've learned variables. You can set multiple variables. You can set as many as you want. Next, we're going to do comparing variables. So first we have to set them. I'm going to do A equals 1, B equals 2. So now those are both set. Now we're going to do if remember, you also need the spaces between these for it to work. B space B. Print. We're just gonna do this for that. Why? Yes, see, it works now. Because A is bigger than B. So the next thing we're gonna want to do is remove this, and so we have to set some other variables for what I want to do. So C equals 3, D equals 4, and C then D. So the last line is 0. The heck you mean line is 0? There ain't no. Let's see if there's any errors I made here. Oh, now it works. Because I was actively editing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is basically it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you one more thing. There's another way to print. If you were to say print, I believe this works. This. Yeah. Oh, that's for a string. You know, you can't do that. Never mind. Anyway, so thanks for watching my Python coding tutorial. So yeah. I recommend that you check out some more stuff. If you want me to cover more topics, just put them down in the comments. And make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.